Hello guys who support my channel ESP Education. Today I have new topics about how to manage and control QuickBooks Enterprise Solution. In this topic is very interesting because it is talk about how we record the accounting transaction in the QuickBooks Enterprise Solution. Okay. The topic today is making deposit. First time I suggest you please subscribe bell on my channel ESP Education to get more useful video. Okay, move to our topic. Today our topic is making deposit. All the business all around the world always have there are many shareholder or only one owner. Yes, okay. They always investment some money or some fund in the company or in the business to process or operation the business transaction. Okay, how can we record their transaction if we are accountant in this company? Okay, to make you easy, today I will share you the useful knowledge about how to make deposit in QuickBooks. Okay, the first, please turn on your QuickBooks Enterprise Solution here and move your mouse to the header and find down folder banking. Right, you see the green here, banking. Okay, BANKING, banking, and find a phrase option makes deposit. Okay, again find folder banking and then you click on the phrase option makes deposit, and you see the new platform. This platform we will complete the information about the shareholder investment or only one owner investment in the company. Okay, today I just tell you a little bit about it, and I just present you how to control and record clearly. Okay, for the first deposit tool, we just choose the account case, for example, because all the shareholder always invest cash in the business, and then the accountant can collect the money input to the bank. Okay, open the bank account as the company. Okay, and then that is the date of deposit or make deposit in the transaction. Okay, for example 10/9/2019 mean that October 9th 2019. Okay, the date, month, day, year. Memo deposit, you can take note many more for this transaction. Okay, receive from, you can choose the shareholder who provide you some money. Okay, you can click arrow. If you see the name, there are so many, some are the vendor, some employee, and some other name. You can choose. If no name here, you can click add new and create by using other option. Okay, for example Mary John. Okay, ESP investment, for example is this Mary. Okay, sorry, John is man, Mary John, for example, and you complete the phone. Easy, and the email Mary John at esp.com, for example. Easy, and then you click button OK. Okay, so you see his name Mary John. He the new shareholder here, and the account here, you can click. For example, we must choose the equity account for here. Okay, equity we note by number 3. Lead is the leader number of account number. Here we can know, or we cannot find the Mary John equity, so we add new. Click on the add new and choose option equity. Click on button continue and create 0, 0 or 4, 5. For example, John equity. Okay, shareholder investment, for example, and you click button save and close, easy. And then memo investment in business. Check number here if his deposit checks checkbox, right? Checkbox, you can write the number on a check, and payment method you can click. For example, here we can choose case checks or under option, for example only case here, and then you you finish. For example, sorry, forget the amount. For example, here invest 5,000. Okay, I just save already, right? Interest mean that you save. Okay, you can click. For example, if we wrong, we can record again. Mary John 3005. Okay, investment in business. Okay, case amount 5,000. Okay, use tab and you see deposit sub total here $5,000, and here mean that he gave accountant $5,000 as the case. If he input the bank a little bit, you can record in other way. Okay, so we just click the button save and new. Don't forget 5,000. For example, don't be a review. For example, we change to 7,000 and click tab here, deposit subtitle 7,000, and we say close. Okay, so we find out the report because we transaction here the ball transaction, right? Because I use the enter button fix link, so the program is saved to. Okay, to delete and edit the transaction. For example, we can verify by option report, mean that you can choose the folder on the header is report or EPORTS report, and click on a folder report and find fresh option accountant taxes and find option journal, right? First reports, second accountant and taxes, and the third or the last is journal, and click on journal. You see, and you just mean that you track the date or the mean that date between that from date to date, mean that, for example, here I just transaction in this month October, so we just click OK, and we see the last transaction on the journal entry here. You can see it. Okay, I mean that we sell two the ball. The first is 5,000 and the second is 7,000, and we want to delete and edit it. If we keep here, mean that you transaction wrong, so you can change by delete. How to delete change? For example, the first I just tell you about how to edit here. We just click on it. For example, 5,000. Click on it, and the ball click, and you just choose the option edit here on the header here, edit, right? You see, edit, and you choose the option delete, right? Okay, and you click on it and click button OK, so the transaction is delete. So you see the transaction $5,000 is deleted, right? Only 7,000. And for example, the 7,000 here is wrong. You can right double click on the transaction and edit it from 7,000 to 10,000, mean that he's deposit $10,000, and then you say close. So the transaction is change to $10,000 here, you see. Okay, so I hope you get the information and knowledge here, and don't forget, please subscribe my channel ESP Education. Okay, don't forget subscribe ESP Education channel here to get more video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, see you next time. Bye bye.